I just watched a trader say it took him 5 years to become profitable. 5 years of pain, 5 years of losses, 5 years of doubt. But it doesn't have to be that way. The problem is most new traders never learn psychology first. Unknowingly, they mentally attach their emotions to their money. This results in fear, greed, and FOMO controlling their decisions. Ultimately, if they don't quit first, they learn to trade successfully after massive losses. That's not a trading problem. That's a discipline problem. Here's what I witnessed as a beginner trader. Nobody focuses on mindset. They talk about indicators, strategies, hot stocks, but nobody talks about what happens between your ears before you place a single trade. You may often hear us say, psychology first, strategy second, because we believe developing the right mindset first is paramount to successful trading. Why? Because at Market Mindset University, we believe trading is a skill. And like any skill, it has 2 phases, the practice phase and performance phase. Most traders skip straight to performance. They open a live account, deposit real money, and then wonder why they keep losing. Why do they continue to lose money and valuable time? Because they never practiced with purpose. Not really. Clicking random trades isn't practice. That's gambling 101, plain and simple. I know because this was my entry into trading. Lucky for me, a Charles Schwab representative showed me a better way. And that better way separates us from most trading gurus. Let me put you on game. Real practice means structure, repetition, intention. That's why we built the 50 Trades Challenge. Before our students risk a single dollar, they place 50 paper trades. No real money, no emotional pressure, just pure supervised repetition. You learn your setup. You learn your entries. You learn how you respond under pressure before you lose a single dime. That's what we mean by practice with purpose. Once you put in the practice reps, everything changes. Your entries get cleaner. Your exits get sharper. Your risk gets controlled. You stop guessing. You stop hoping. Instead, you implement winning trades. That's what we mean by perform with precision. Most new traders rely on hope. MMU students rely on experienced execution. You don't need 5 years. You need a minimum of 50 controlled simulated reps. So when you hear us say, practice with purpose, perform with precision, that's not just our tagline. That's MMU's trading methodology. Want to trade smarter? Start your journey today at mmu.media. Experience our winning edge. We'll meet you there.